To identify ZTC classes from eServices, from the main homepage, click Manage Classes. In the left-hand menu, click Search and Enroll, and then select the term for which you're searching. You can search by course abbreviation, subject, class topic, or other keywords. Once you've searched and see results, you will see the class attribute filter in the left-hand column. Your instructors have several options to make the textbook free, and you can click all 3 of the free textbook filters so that you are seeing courses that have a free textbook option. You will also see the ZTC designation by looking at the section details. To do this, you click the arrow in the far right corner. You will see the ZTC symbol under the textbook heading. If you have not clicked any of the 3 free textbook filters, you can still look in the section detail area to identify courses that have the ZTC symbol. If you do not see the ZTC symbol and it is blank under the textbook column, it means the course will likely require a textbook that will mean additional fees.